Okay, so we're going to look at production now. So this is used where you have raw materials or items which get produced into other items. So if you've watched the video earlier on the purchasing, then you will have seen us purchase a couple of bedroom items, and now I'm going to make these into a bedroom package. So just to show you them to start with, I'm going to go and view all products and show you we've got a bedroom package here. So imagine we sell furnished goods, and so we sell beds, we sell chairs, we sell desks, and we also sell our bedroom package, which is everything all within one. So I've set the bill of materials for this, so you'll see the tick box, and I've said that in the bedroom package there's a bed, a chair, a desk, and a couple of wardrobes. I haven't set this to auto-assemble, so in some real-world cases you might say, well, we don't have any of the packages in stock, as it were. We just, when someone wants one, we just go and get a bed, a chair, a desk, and so on. But in this case, we'll say, well, it's discounted, and we do want to know, and we want to keep stock for packages as a whole, because they're better profit for us, for example. So that's just a really loose example of kind of how it can work. So you can see here then the quantities that are required. So here, this doesn't automatically assemble. So here I need to produce the bedroom package. So I need to tell the system, I'm going to go into the warehouse today and I'm going to make 5 bedroom packages. So however I need to put them in packaging or whatever was required to send them out, I'm going to do that today. So if I go here, I'll just show you a couple of quick things. So I know from the video that we did for purchasing that we have some packages available. So just to show you here, so the bed, we've got 10 on hand. The chairs, we've got 50, the desks, we've got 20, the wardrobes, we've got 100. So we've got plenty enough to go and make some of these bedroom packages. So if I now go to production and go to a new finished goods, then there's a few different options here. So first of all, the location. So where are we doing this production? So it's going to be the Melbourne warehouse. Then what are we producing? So the SKU code, you can either just start typing a name or start typing a code, or just click and drop down. So it's the bedroom package, product name fills out, then you've got a work in progress account and a finished goods account. So finished goods account, we can tell the system where we want this to go, so which expense account we want it to go against. So here I'm just going to put this to general expenses, but that's not what you would do. You'd need to contact your accountant for that. And then quantity is how many are we going to make. So what I can do here, where there's maximum quantity, I can click on this little circle, and what that's going to do is it's going to go away and check how many I've got of all of the materials and tell me how many I can produce. So this is particularly useful if you're producing things like food items, things that come from lots of complex raw materials. So the system will tell you how many it thinks you can make. So it's telling me I can make 10. If you remember a moment ago, we looked at the stock and we had 25 of one item, we had 100 of something else, but we only had 10 beds. So although we've got more cupboards, more wardrobes and so on, we've only got 10 beds, so we can only make 10 of the packages. So here I'm going to tell the system, well, okay, I'll make 5. It's going to be work in progress today, it's going to complete tomorrow, or sorry, today. That's important, obviously, if you're accounting, because if you have stock work in progress, that needs to be accounted for. So here now, I can make this really simple. If I just load the bill of materials, then I've just selected work in progress and finished goods accounts for the 0 account. So then it will tell me, based on the 5 that I am supposed to be producing, so it will tell me I need 5 beds, 5 chairs, 5 desks, and 10 wardrobes, and how many I've got in stock, and therefore what the cost should be to produce all of these. So having loaded that, I can check all these. I can add wastage if I need to add wastage. I could add additional lines. So here I'm just going to authorize this. So it's done that successfully. Then I'm going to go to pick, and I'm going to tell it to automatically pick all of the items we need to use. If you had batch or serial number tracking, this is where it will prompt you and say, well, which serial number are you picking and which serial number are you using? So here I'll just go allocate. That's going to send off that stock to allocate it against this production. So now if I were to look in the system, it will tell me I've only got 5 beds available because it's allocated the other 5 to this finished goods order. And if I just go complete, then that will finalize that finished goods order. It'll take all of these items out of stock and it will add 5 more bedroom packages into stock. So if I go up here now and just go to inventory and availability, then you'll now see we've got just 5 beds in stock, we've got 46 chairs, we've got 16 bedroom desks, but we've now got 5 of the bedroom packages.